going way over there.
That's it. She's shooting 9mm now. Go ahead.
They all came up to the That's my kid.
Put it down. You got a lot. No, you got a lot of shots in this one. So we're shooting 9mm and these 38. You got your 38. You got your 9mm. Shooting the 9mm. A little higher. There it is.
We almost got it.
Keep aiming. There, almost.
I'm gonna try for that one way over there.
Whoa. That's it. Okay, so that was your first experience at the rifle range. You like it?
Yeah, I liked it. It was great.
Okay.